In today's video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful journal in Canva. Whether you want to design a personal journal or a product to sell, Canva makes it super easy and fun. Start by opening Canva and typing journal into the search bar. You will see a wide variety of templates, minimalist, colorful, or ornate, so take your time to find one that fits your vision. Once you spot a template you like, click Customize this template to start personalizing it. With Canva's drag and drop tools, you can change colors, tweak layouts, and add your own images. Spice things up with icons or illustrations to make your journal truly unique. Don't forget the text. Adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your theme, and consider adding prompts or inspirational quotes for a thoughtful look. As you customize, preview your journal to ensure everything flows well and looks cohesive. Experiment with different combinations until it feels just right. When you are satisfied, click download and choose your preferred format, PDF for print or a digital version for sharing. Make sure to set a high resolution if you plan to print your journal. And there you have it. Your journal is ready to use or share with the world, showcasing your creativity and design skills. Happy journaling and keep exploring Canva's endless possibilities.